right, 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Here we go, window method. So, same principles apply as the other ones. This time we just will have a 3 box by 2 box little grid there. So, the first problem is going to be 294 times 48. So, I like to do the 3 across and 2 down, but it doesn't necessarily matter which way you do it. So, I have 294. Remember, I write the value of each place, not just the digit. And then 48. Now all I need to do is multiply. So I kind of trace my fingers together to figure out what goes where. So this box here is going to be 200 times 40. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 zeros for my hundreds and another one for my 40. So I have 8,000. 9 times 4 is 36. A 0 from each number. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Just 1 0 from my 40. Bottom row. I have 200 times 8. So that's 16 for 2 times 8 with 2 zeros from my 200. 9 times 8 is 72. 1 0 from my 90. And then 4 times 8 is 32. And then I just need to add them up. 8,000, 3,600, 160, 1,600. Just be careful that you're writing them correctly and lining them all up at the right side. If you have a notebook paper and you write it vertically on your, if you turn your notebook sideways and use those blue lines, that can help you if you have trouble lining it up. So 0,0002, 006 plus 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Plus 6 is 14, plus 7 is 21. And then I have 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 1 is 14. So I get 14,112. Let's do another example of the window method. And if you are trying to follow along and practice with me and I'm going too fast, you can always pause it and finish what you're doing before I keep going. That's the beauty of having it as a video. You can take it at your speed. Also, with filling in the boxes, I have my facts memorized, so that's why I can do it so fast. If you need to have a multiplication chart next to you, that's fine. If you need to count your facts, your multiples, that is also fine. One more problem. Let's do 817, so a 3-digit number times 69, a 2-digit number. Again, a 3 by 2, and just make sure it's big enough that you can fit the numbers. So I have 800, 10, and 7. Each place gets a spot. And then I have 69 over here. So 800 times 60. 8 times 6 is 48. 2 zeros from there. 1 0 from there. Now 10 times 60, 600. 1 times 6 is 6, plus the 2 zeros. So, switch colors. 7 times 60, 42 with 1 0, so 420. Let's go to the bottom row. I'm running out of colors. 800 times 9 is, well, 72, and then 2 zeros. 10 times 9 is 90. And then we'll just do black with this one. 7 times 9 is 63. All right, so we have our 6 different numbers. Then we're going to go add those together over here. So I have 48,600, 420, 7,200, 90, and then 63. Add those up. 3. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 6 is 17. 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 is 16, and then a 5. So I get 56,373. If you want more examples, let me know. Come to a Google Meet, and I'm more than happy to do more practice with you. Remember, you don't have to show this work on your worksheet, but you do need to do it in a notebook. Good luck.